So guys, for the first method, once you're on YouTube, you want to click right here in the top left. You want to click on this view site information. Now you want to click on cookies and site data. You want to click on cookies again. You want to delete everything that comes up here. So you want to click on this and then click on remove. Click on this again and then click on remove. You want to delete everything that comes up in this list. Now you want to click on done. And now you want to click on this again, view site information. Now you want to click on permissions for this site. Make sure that you have images on allow. Now we're going to go back to our YouTube tab and you want to refresh your YouTube page. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right and now you want to click on settings. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings and then click on restore settings. Now you just want to restart Microsoft Edge. See if that works for you. For the last method, you want to head over to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on advanced. It's going to be saying accelerated graphics, use software rendering instead of GPU rendering. You want to tick the box and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.